Salesforce has a nascent capability in customer experience management. Salesforce is really good at storing Salesforce data. Salesforce is good at managing the sales process, right? What they're not necessarily really good at is how do I integrate with multiple Salesforce instances, intra-company, extra-company, such that I bring data from multiple sources, Salesforce sources, from my internal system, my internal Salesforce instance, from the partners that I use externally. How do I bring that all together? And how do I then consolidate so that I can get a consistent view of my customer? Because, by the way, Salesforce is only one part of the problem. I have other internal platforms that store customer data. So my customer data internally is stored within Salesforce. It's stored within my merchant management platform. If you're a merchant processor, it's stored within 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 other internal platforms that Salesforce has no connectivity to and no insight into. In addition, if I use external platforms, external partners, which many of our customers do, it's part of it's a smart business model. Well, they have their own Salesforce instances, and they have their own internal capabilities with internal data stores. In order for me to get a cohesive, coherent, all-encompassing view of my customer, to provide all of the right data at the right time, at the right place, to the right place, proactively, I have to bring all of these disparate resources together, and they're not all Salesforce. So if this were a story of my internal Salesforce platform, you might be able to get there from here, but that's not the story. That's a very small piece of the story. There are multiple Salesforces, multiple other disparate platforms with customer and other related data, and you don't own them all, because a lot of these are at external entities that may or may not want to share the data. And that's where we can come in.